Hey, what's up everybody? This is Joshua Casper here with another quick video trying to let you guys know how you can get 150 new samples, loops, and one-shots from Loopmasters every single week. For real. What you got to do is just go download Loopcloud, which is their new application. I've done a couple of videos on it. I also suggest you go ahead and check out the internet and what it has to say because it's phenomenal and there's some really big updates coming that are just going to blow your mind. But in the meantime, all you need to do is download the app, and every single week there's a folder inside of the app that's free, and it's 150 samples from, it's like a taster of different labels and stuff like that. So come to loopcloud.net, download this application. It's super dope. It organizes all of your files from Loopmasters right inside of the application, and it syncs to your DAW. You can pitch the samples, you can search by key, by BPM, and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, but come to loopcloud.net and download it. And once you sync it up, you're going to see all of the packs you've ever bought from Loopmasters inside of here. It's going to take a second to update and stuff like that, so let it do its thing. Once you log in, you're going to log in with your Loopmasters credentials. But every week at the top, there's this star folder called New Inspiration from Loopmasters, and there's 150 samples in there. And you can get in and check each one out. So, for example, if I click here, that's a sweet bass line. Now, right now it's in the cloud, so it's not even on my machine. But if I want to download it, all I got to do is claim free content, and boom, look at that. It's now a folder. It's no longer a star. It's actually a folder, and that means it's inside of my database on Loopmasters, and it still hasn't even downloaded to my computer. Now, what makes that really great is I can use this inside of my DAW to audition it, and if it fits my track, I can just download it to my computer if I like it. If I don't like it, it's not going to take up any space. So let's say I want this. So here we go. Now I can just say download high quality file, click to download, it's going to download, it's going to take a second however fast your internet is. And look at this, next to the cloud now is a disk, and that means it's on my hard disk, and those are mine forever. And all you need to do every week is come in and claim any of the files you want. If you don't like it, you don't need to claim it, or you can just claim it and it's going to be kept on the Loopmasters database, so it's not even going to take up room on your computer. So just get in here, download this app, check out these folders each and every week, and just for that, you're going to get 150 samples. And trust me, you're going to want this app on your computer anyway because it's going to be mind-blowing. So I'm going to stop right there because this is phenomenal, and I just wanted to share with you the fact that you can get 150 free samples each and every week from Loopmasters. Go download this app, check out my other videos I've already done. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel or Loopmasters on YouTube because this is going to get bigger and bigger, and you're going to love each and every update. So anyway, I hope you learned something. Go grab those samples. We'll see you next time.